this. Now, the torque converter is not connected to anything right now. So when we do finally get close to off, we need one person here, and then we need another person to catch the torque converter. So it's like a multi-person
So
thing.
4 hands. 2 here, 2 here, 2 here, 2
Well,
here.
here, you're gonna grab it here, and then you're gonna hold it here, and then what, because you see this is a sitting. This is
It's just flopping.
That's a sitting duck.
It's floppy. So we're gonna have one person over here, one person there, one person here, and you're gonna have one hand here, one hand here. Got it?
All right.
All right.
Well, Rich, you guys.
All right, ready? Break.
Go.
Oh,
That one's threaded, and that's the only one that counts. The other ones are just spacers.
Oh, okay.
Because when you go to Ace Hardware, you don't have choices. You buy 4 or 4.5.
Yeah, they don't give you
They
what
don't
you
have
need.
4 and an 8.
No, that's a McMaster car deal, and that takes time, and that's not cheap.
Yeah, and these are just grade 5s, which always makes me a little heebie-jeebie. At least they're
grade 5 and not
butter bolts.
the cheap bin bolt. Hey, butter bolts are good for sacrificial.
Watching
changes.
a guy in fucking Home Depot with a steering box trying to fit up bolts.
And he was looking at butter bolts.
He's looking at butter bolts and said, "Do not use those bolts."
Yeah.
I
Well,
said,
well,
"They
the other
will
two
break.
down below are.
You're going to lose control of the car, and you're going to kill yourself." And the guy looked at me during the headlights, and then completely ignored me and kept going. Why are you going the wrong way?
So just keeping some tension on so it doesn't come
Yeah.
up.
People don't understand that you need to buy the proper shit.
Oh, he fucking, you know, and it's not, I'm not worried about him, I'm worried about me. It's just my luck, you know, he'll be in the oncoming lane when the bolt comes off. I watched one Chica Concorito pass on the shoulder.
Whoa!
What I was saying?
Yeah.
It's
You
heavy.
guys,
Okay.
did you guys poop a little?
Oh, they're fine.
It's fine.
So one Chica Concorito, she's passing on the
In an
shoulder.
Altima?
No, it was a white Sentra.
Same
That's
thing.
off.
That was a white one, which is unusual. Normally they're silver.
Usually
Then
they're
it was a
multicolored.
silver Honda, about a half mile down the road, does this thing where I get a fender up on you, and then I turn on my blinker. You can't see my blinker
No.
because I'm right here. And then she was doing this. She was literally running people off the road
Oh.
because she needed to get over.
I need to encounter those people. They're going for a ride.
Oh,
We might want another set of hands on this.
Yeah.
I
no,
think
you're
this
fine.
is-
You're fine. Trust me. It's heavy.
I'm gonna lose my finger.
Yeah.
Paul, grab the output shaft. Just hold
grab
on
the
to it.
shaft.
Just hold on. Just steady the shaft.
Did you just tell Paul to steady the shaft?
Okay, she's
Okay.
off. She's off.
Whoa! You guys scare me.
Okay. There you go.
Everybody okay?
Yep.
Nobody died?
Fingers. Yeah. Okay.
Everybody's
now
got
pull
everything?
The torque converter off.
No, it just yanks off.
Yep.
It just slides right out.
How do you like them apples? So I see what you have here. This is what we call a.
I think. Doesn't
Should.
it? You don't think that one disassembles, do you?
God, I hope not.
It's not easily and obviously pulled free.
So read in the book and see how to remove the torque converter.
Ooh, Grant, get the book. Oh, Allie's gonna get the book. Allie, are you in charge of the book? What is going on?
It's loose, but it's not. It's still binding on something.
No, this is not the cup. This is what's you expose after you take that off.
No, I get that, but what if we read to, well, that's clean washers hold, right?
Yeah.
Then
Cover
remove
seals for
cover.
damage.
Yes.
Then remove cover.
So it should come off.
She's not really freed up. Look, like it kind of comes partially. See, like this. But
No,
that's.
it's not. So that movement is the entire torque.
Yeah.
So is it just
So we just
pull
want to get the
harder?
cover off?
Well, you know what? Maybe, just maybe,
Is it?
you gotta pull those. I don't think you need to. Nah, you shouldn't have to pull, the drain plug should not be pulled.
So there wouldn't be a nut right there.
There is a nut there underneath that.
Oh, so do we need to pry the cover off? Because we can, the cover,
That's welded up.
can the,
It
I
does
mean,
need to remove drain plug.
I'm in traffic. Yeah.
oh,
Drain
oh.
drain any oil. It says nuts, plain washers, and bolts.
Well, I wonder if maybe they are going, because you can see like
They're binding?
The aluminum is right there.
Yeah, but no, because it's
Well, that didn't sound nice.
there's nothing.
Yeah.
That's because the bolts themselves, not all these bolts are all the way. Here he goes.
That's why I was wondering if they were getting hung up on something.
Have you been?
Oh God, that's scary.
On a job or something.
Did you just poo a little? Because that look, you had that reaction of
No,
ooh.
I have no idea.
Get a bigger
I
hammer.
was saying, where's the big pry bar?
Pry bar.
Where's that one you had to put some ass into for the?
Got to put the ass into
to
it.
get the torque ball loose.
Oh yeah. And that's the night you learned.
I learned about getting ass into it.
Put the ass into it.
Almost second tower, almost over.
Hey, look, you got it apart.
Let's get that off.
Yeah.
You're gonna need
That
them.
looks like 5/8.
9/16.
No, well, no, that was that would not come.
No, the country spire 13 millimeter.
Mother has
Now,
Oh boy.
oh, no.
You're spinning on the inside. You gotta. Where's the Ugga Dugga?
That was the last time I think.
Go get a 1/2 inch drive 9/16, somebody.
We don't have one.
What?
I lost it.
What?
I lost it.
Damn, Sherman.
There's nothing to sniff at, but it was an old school. It had poverty hubcaps.
Ooh, splines.
S-planes.
Splines.
Ooh, now she's coming out hot.
There it is.
Take the whole thing out.
Oh, you can make like a nice dog bowl out of that.
Woo. Yeah. Uh-oh, we have stuff falling out of the things.
Oh, wow.
Those don't look like they should be there.
That is Noah's Bueno.
Is there like some kind of gear that goes inside that spline that's
I don't know.
holding, that was all like,
Sherman, show me what you have, sir.
But his dad, they had a.
Ooh.
That's a chingadera.
Oh no.
Yeah, but you see, it didn't say anything about that. I'll have to read up on it.
All right, so front pump.
Used to, when they were gone, we would steal the car.
Where would that have come out?
Well, I wonder, if, like, is there like a gear that goes around here that mounts to this, like on the backside?
No.
Backside?
No. These are your pumps. Hold that, just like that. Keep going. No, I don't know. I literally don't know where these came from.
The north corner across from.
It's not ideal.
There's 3 of them, and then there's 3 of these little springy things. Let's.
Rut-row.
Wait.
But that was
Should we make
I'll
a
read
special
up on
bag
it.
for that?
Yes.
Alright, so we'll call that springy things from the
Springy sack.
torque converter springy things.
That works.
Yeah. See, that didn't come out of there.
No,
It was behind everything when we pulled it out.
which is weird.
So these might have been in the torque converter.
was Pontiac,
No, that's not right.
Buick, and then Moss
They
Brothers.
might have been in here,
Moss Brothers.
but I don't know where or how.
Across the street was Mitsubishi's.
So the reason that we took this off is, as you can see,
This has a special name.
we got a bunch of bolts there.
Torque converter springy things.
Across from them where
Here's
Jack's
Chuck.
is now was Boyer Motors and
Torque converter springy things.
Just click it this 6 times till it comes back.
fixtures.
There you go.
All right, so front pump and bell housing, yeah?
Chevy dealer is a Chevy dealer. It's,
Um,
it really hasn't materially changed. Except
It's
for
a
one-
fair distance after 8.
one portion of-
Shall we just say F it and pick up next week?
Yeah.
All right. Tidy up.
And then what I will do is I'll look for a master rebuild kit for this, and we'll pick up where we left off. You
Oh,
just
here,
them
put
on
that
the
in here.
bench.
Next week.
Yeah.
Put that in
All right.
torque converter.
Tune in next week for more. Dynaflow fun. Right, Sherman?
Yep.
Yep. Yep. Yep.
Where are we putting all this?
And
Dyna fun.